Solving system of linear equations by graphing method. So we learned how to solve linear equations. So linear equations are equations where the highest degree of the variable is 1. For example, this is a linear equation and we learned how to solve for x values. So we can find the x values which make this left hand side equal to right hand side. And we also learned how to graph linear equations. So we also learned the graph of linear equation in two variables. If you have 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, we can graph this equation. The graph of this equation, we need the x-intercept and y-intercept. So the graph of this equation will look like this. Okay, so now we are going to learn system of linear equation. So system of linear equation means when we have more than one linear equations, then it is called a system of linear equations. For example, if I write 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 and x minus 1 is equal to 2. So I write two linear equations together. Now I'm looking for a solution for this. This is called a system of linear equations, and we are asked to solve this system. So solve this system means we are looking for an ordered pair xy which makes both equations true. So another way of saying that, graphically xy should lies on both equations. So these are linear equation. Graphically x and y, this point should lies on both lines. So if xy should lies on both lines, let's try to plot these. So let's try to graph these lines. The first line will be, this is half and this is 1/3. So this is the graph of line 1. So let's call it line 1 and let's call it line 2. And let's try to plot the line 2. The line 2 is 2 and y value is -2. So this is the line 2. So we see that the line 1 and line 2. So if we pick any point, suppose if we pick any point, this point lies on only line 1, but it is not lies on line 2. You see that? Similarly, if I pick this point only lies on line 2 but not on line 1. So we are looking, solution will be that point which lies on both lines. So look at this point. This point lies on line 1 as well as on line 2. Right? So there is only one solution. So what is the solution? Graphically, the solution of the system of linear equation is the point of intersection of the lines. So graphically, solution of the system of linear equations is the point of intersection of the lines. So where they are meeting, that will be the solution. Since these are the straight lines, if they are meeting, because these are not curvy line, they can only meet only at one point, right? They cannot meet more than one point, right? So we have different situations. So let me discuss those different situations. If two lines are intersecting, then they will intersect only at one point. In that case, we have only one solution. Okay, so we may have the case that both lines are parallel. So we may have the case that line 1 and line 2 are parallel lines. They will never intersect. Here. So these are never intersecting lines. So that means you cannot find any point that lies on both lines. In that case, we can say that no solution, no point lies, no one point you can find, no one ordered pair you can find which lies on both lines. Now the third case is, if two lines are overlapping lines, this is line 1 and this is line 2, both are the overlapping lines. In that case, every point on line 1 will also lie on line 2. In that case, we have infinitely many solutions. So infinitely many solutions, that means infinitely many points that lies on both lines. So graphically, the solution of the system of linear equation is plot the graph of the linear equations. All will be straight lines and their point of intersection will be the solution. Parallel lines means no solution. Overlapping lines means infinitely many solutions. Thank you so much.